Heath Grossman here for Money Wisdom Question Series. Today's question is, should I relocate or sell my home in retirement? And we can really approach this question from two different angles. One is financial. Some people might approach this question purely from a financial standpoint, meaning that they look at their expenses and their income in retirement and they say to themselves, you know what, I don't know if I can maintain this house in terms of the costs of it and the taxes, or I need to move to another state that has a lower standard of living and taxes, right? So someone might have to make that decision to downsize or relocate or sell their home purely from a financial standpoint. Now, we can also take this question from the angle of lifestyle, right? Because sometimes people move or sell their home in retirement, not from a financial standpoint, but just because maybe they're just sick of maintaining the house, right? You have this house for a number of years, you're out there every weekend mowing the lawn and doing all the other maintenance and upkeep, right? And maybe you get to a point in life where you say to yourself, you know what, I don't want to do that anymore, right? Kind of sick of it, right? I get that. And sometimes people move to another state because they just want a different climate or a different type of people to be around, or lower expenses, things like that, right? So there's other aspects of things or reasons why someone would potentially relocate or sell their home in retirement that are not just purely financial in nature. They could be more lifestyle. So once again, this is Heath Grossman for Money Wisdom Question Series. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If it was, right, give us a like and share it with a friend.